If you've been into affiliate marketing for any amount of time, then you would have seen those launch leaderboards that most of these vendors publish. And you would have seen the same 10 to 15 odd names featuring there in that list. Now, that 10 to 15 people who show up in that list earn thousands in commission. And you wonder as to how is it that they are able to always feature on the launch leaderboard. You need to know what products are being launched before even they get launched. And that exactly is the technique or the method called as launch stacking. So basically what it involves is you track product launches much ahead of the product actually being launched, which means you know about a launch almost about 6 to 7 days, at least 6 to 7 days before that product is launched. And then you start warming up your audience and promoting the product through your emails, through review blogs, through videos, and multiple other methods. Now, if you are a beginner, you might be wondering as to how will you as a beginner use launch stacking to your advantage. There are multiple ways of using it. You don't need to have a big email list. You can still use the power of launch stacking and make a ton of commissions. But then there are some things involved, which is getting a review page up, a bonus stack assembled that can go with the product that is being launched, and generating all of that traffic that you need to these review pages so that you can make sales when the product gets launched. Now, all of that takes anywhere between 5 to 7 hours in a normal scenario. I've been using launch stacking to make money with affiliate marketing for the last almost 20 years. And I can tell you that it is not easy. There is a lot of work involved. You need to put in a lot of time to get all of these assets in place before you can actually start promoting your review page. But then now there is a simpler way of doing it. And that is exactly what I'm going to review in today's video. The name of this product is Launchjacker AI. How good is this app? What are the features? What are the different upsells and one-time offers that are there along with this product? And if it is worth the price tag that it is being launched at. We'll look at all of that in today's video. So let's get started. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dilip. I'm an affiliate marketer. I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost about 20 years. And one of the primary sources of affiliate commissions that I make is launch stacking, and I've been doing it for quite some time now. And I know all of the effort that goes into making the most out of a launch that is happening. So when Launchjacker AI came out, I had to check it out because I wanted to see if it can actually smoothen the process and shorten the time that it takes to get everything set up. And what did I find in my review? That is exactly what I'm going to share today. So let's get into it. So what is Launchjacker? Now, like what I said, Launchjacker AI, it's a 7-day course. Now, it has about 9 modules. It teaches you how to earn affiliate commissions by using the power of launch stacking, by riding on other people's product launches. Now, the idea is pretty straightforward. When a vendor launches a new product on maybe Warrior Plus or JVZoo, there is a window. It is usually about 5 to 10 days when the buyer intent is at the peak. A lot of these top creators start emailing people, and people get to know about these launches. Now, when they get to know about these launches, they start searching for reviews for this product, or they start searching for demos of the product, or at times they want to understand more about what this product is. Now, when they are doing it, if you can put an asset in front of them, like for example, a review page or a review video or maybe a blog post or something, if your asset can feature in the top of that search results, the possibility of them clicking over to read more of it increases. And when they read more of it, if you're genuine in what you've written, if you're genuine in your reviews, if you're genuine in your demos, then the possibility of them clicking on the link that you're giving them increases, and they go ahead and buy that product. And if you have a list of good bonuses that can go along with the purchase, then the possibility of them buying from you increases even more. Now, what Launchjacker AI does is it adds AI to this entire setup, to this entire system, to this entire formula. It uses AI to write these review pages faster. It helps you build that bonus tag that can go with that product. and it generates all of the promotional content that is required so that you're not starting from a blank page every time that you start promoting a launch. Now, the course was built by Anil from the Elite Engines, and Dave Espino is a partner in the promotion. Now, Dave is a well-known figure in the IM space, and he has a long track record. I've known him for almost about the last 17 to 20 years. He's been there in the space. He's been there promoting some amazing products online, and the track record for him shows how credible he is. I'll come back to Dave's background in a little while from now because there is something that you guys need to know before you decide. So we'll talk about Dave's background in a little while from now, but as of now, let's look at the key features for Launchjacker AI. What is included in Launchjacker AI? It has 5 parts. The first one is a 7-day blueprint with 9 modules. This is the core of the product. Each day of the 7-day period covers a specific phase of setting up the launchjacking campaign. You don't have to guess anything. Everything is there laid out on every day. So the structure of this course is simple, and if you're a beginner or if you don't have experience of launchjacking, then the structure is something that you're really going to enjoy because it's put together from a beginner's perspective. And one of the things that Launchjacker AI teaches you is how to detect a launch well ahead of time so that you are there at least about 2 days before the launch happens and you're not there at the last moment after the launch has happened. The second part in Launchjacker AI is the AI powered review page creation. Now, the product uses AI to write your review page copy. Now, for somebody who's not a copywriter or who doesn't write a lot of blog posts, this can be genuinely helpful. Writing a review page from scratch takes a lot of time. I have built a complete system in Claude, which is what I use to write my review pages, and I can get all of that done in less than about 5 minutes. But for somebody who's just starting out, it can be extremely overwhelming and it can take a lot of time. Now, having AI draft the structure and the copy, which you can then personalize, just go through it, personalize, edit it whichever way you want, all of that can be done in less than an hour. The third part in Launchjacker AI is the bonus stack building. Now, this is a very valuable part of this product. If you have to succeed in launchjacking or in promoting any affiliate product, you have to have a set of bonuses that are not only valuable but also related to the product that is being launched. If you're not able to do that, then the possibility of people clicking over to somebody else's review, reading that, looking at their bonus stack and buying from them is more. So you have to have a valuable bonus stack in place. And this third part does basically that. It helps you build the bonus stack for that particular product, which means you have a valuable bonus stack in place when the product launches and when your review pages start appearing in front of people who are searching for it. The fourth one is the traffic strategies for the launch window. Now this is what a lot of the courses don't cover. There is one course that I'll always recommend if you're looking at the traffic strategies for launchjacking. I'll link to it in the description box below. It will teach you a lot. I absolutely recommend it to anybody who is getting started, and you'll be able to find a link there. If you are very new to this, then you might want to take that course. It's a very low cost course, but it'll teach you how to make the most of launchjacking. And these traffic strategies are where most people lose out on benefiting from launchjacking. Now, this course covers some traffic methods. It'll help you get people to your review page during that short launch window, and that way get more eyeballs and more chances of people clicking and buying from you. And the fifth and the last one is something they call as Elena AI Assistant, which is basically a built-in AI assistant specific to the platform. It's decided to help you with the campaign tasks. It is not a generic writing AI. It'll brief you on the product, help you with different review angles, or maybe generating bonus ideas. It does all of that. It will act as your campaign co-pilot, which means that you don't have to rely on maybe a ChatGPT or a Claude who have no context on what is it that you're doing. So how does Launchjacker AI work? It is simple. Phase 1 is find and research. You pick an upcoming launch on maybe Warrior Plus or JVZoo and get approved as an affiliate. Then you use the system's research framework to understand the product and brief the AI on how your review page should look. Phase 2 is build and go live. You build your review page and the bonus stack using the AI tools inside the course. The goal is to be live before the launch happens. So all of that is done much ahead of time. And that way, by buyers who are searching for reviews will find your page, and the possibility of clicking on your links and buying increases. And phase 3 is driving traffic. So you drive traffic to your review page during the launch window. Buyers click your affiliate link, purchase the product just because they like the bonus or they like your review, and you earn commissions. Now, I'll be honest here, phase 1 and 2, while it sounds easy in a review video like this one, it is not easy. It will take some time if you are new to the entire thing and if you are just starting off. But once you've done about 4 or 5 odd campaigns, then it should smoothen out and you'll be able to get it done much faster. So do not expect day 1 to be a smooth ride and that you're going to earn a lot of commissions from day 1 itself. Be in there, you will have to build at least 4 to 5 word campaigns to get a hang of how it works, and only then you will start benefiting from the system. Now the pricing, it is priced at $17 for the front end. There are about 4 or 5 odd one-time offers. There is an order bump which gives you a launch jacker challenge, and then there are some other AI related tools and resources which are all being offered as one-time offers. If you think you need any of those, you can go with it. But for me, the most valuable part of the entire funnel is that 7-day course on how to use launch jacking to earn commissions, to earn affiliate commissions. Now, like what I said, Dave Espino has credibility. He's been there in the market for 17 to 20 years. I happen to read some of these negative reviews about him online. Now, I'll be very honest. Internet marketing is a space which has earned a lot of bad name because of a lot of spammy and scammy products. And the biggest problem is that a lot of people who buy a product expect transformation overnight. It is impossible that it will happen. Every one of these products will take some time. You need to put in some effort. You need to be consistent. There is some effort that is required from you. And until and unless you stay in there, do work every day consistently for at least about 60 odd days, then it is unlikely that you're going to see anything considerable coming out of it. And that is probably one of the reasons that a lot of people post negative reviews about products, because they buy these products, expect overnight transformation. When it happens, they post these negative reviews. But from whatever I know about Dave Espino, he's created some genuine products. All of these are low priced products that takes away one resistance from the entire system, and that way I know that his products are valuable, and I really like some of the launches that he partners. But it is entirely up to you to make your call. Don't go by the vendor's reputation or what I am talking about in this video. You decide for yourself. If you want to go for it, then you can go ahead and check it out. They come with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if for any reason you think it is not a good fit for you, you can always go ahead and get your money back. And most of these products come with that 30-day money back guarantee. So there is no reason why you should be disappointed. If for any reason you don't think that the product lives up to expectation, just go ahead and get a review. Now, what are the pros and cons of this product? I'll first talk about the pros. It has a structured 7-day format. The course is simple. It solves that speed problem, which is where most launch jacking efforts fail. So that is taken care of. The AI assisted review writing and the bonus creation, the bonus stack builder are something that takes care of the biggest bottleneck in the entire launch jacking workflow. So that's taken care of. The price of about $17 for the complete system, I think it is worth it. If you see some of these communities on School will charge you about $27 to $47 per month for the same information. So this is a $17 one-time price, and I think for that price it is worth it. And coming to the cons, while the $17 covers the entire method, the toolkit or the additional tools that you might need or that you might want to go with if you are a total beginner, it'll cost significantly more because all of those are part of the one-time offers. If you are a beginner and you have no traffic source and you don't know anything about launch jacking, it is going to take some time. Keep that in mind that if you buy the course, complete it within 7 days, you're not going to become a millionaire. You will have to put in the effort for at least about 6 months before you start seeing anything. And the AI assisted review writing, it's not a differentiator on its own. The edge is basically the structure around it. The review, I would recommend that you should still personalize it, edit it, write it like it's your own voice rather than it sounding more like an AI, because there are a ton of such reviews are available online out there. Now, my verdict, Launchjacker AI is a solid course on a real affiliate strategy, and I can tell you because I've been following that affiliate strategy for almost about 20 years now. And for the $17 price, I think it's a really fair, really low cost price point to start off. The 7-day structure is practical. It teaches you pretty much everything that you need to know about launch jacking. The AI tools are good. It is meaningful and can save a lot of time, while some of the other tools might cost more. The main product or the core of the entire bundle is only $17, which I think is a fair price point. Buy only if you're already on Warrior Plus or JVZoo and you've been watching these launches or watching people making money or making it to those launch leaderboards. If that is something that you've been seeing and you've always been thinking how to go about doing it, then this is a product that you should go with. Or if you're a beginner who is looking for a structured, low investment entry point into learning how to use affiliate marketing or launch jacking in affiliate marketing, then this is something that you should go with. But think twice if you expect passive income with little to no effort, and if the vendor's prior history is something that stops you from going for it, then I would recommend that you should think twice before going for it. Now, the link for Launchjacker AI is there in the description box below. If you buy through my link, I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. But if you buy from that link, you get these 3 additional bonuses, which are custom bonuses that I've created. 2 of them are products that I've been selling on Gumroad. You'll be able to find the links to those products in the review page that I have created. It's my blog post. I will link to it in the description box below. In addition to that, I've also put together a Launchjacker's quick start checklist, which is basically a bonus, a custom bonus that goes well with the entire Launchjacker AI course. So if you buy from the link that is there in the description box below, you get all of these 3 additional bonuses as well. So I hope that this review was useful. I publish honest reviews of JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank products. And if you found value in this review, then do give this video a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to this channel, then do that right away. And don't forget to click the bell notification so that you stay updated. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below and respond to all of that. That's all that I have. I'll be back again with another review. Until then, keep watching. This is goodbye.